Hey guys, what's going on? If you're new here, welcome. My name is BrittanyNichole, and I hope you can see the excitement in my face because I'm going to talk to you about 3 of my favorite things today: lashes, nails, and Dollar General. So I'm super excited to be partnering with Kiss Products on today's video to show you how you can get salon quality nails and lashes at home for a fraction of the price. You guys already know Kiss is one of my favorite lash brands. Whenever you guys, family, friends, past clients ask me what lashes I recommend that are affordable, I always say Kiss because the lash band is super flexible, so they can really form to any eye shape, which is half the battle when you're applying lashes. So I'm gonna give you some pro tips today on how I apply their Mink Effect lashes to give weightless volume to any look. I'm also gonna show you how I apply my favorite ready-to-wear nails from Kiss. I've always loved trendy nail art, but I hate the commitment. I hate having to go to the salon to get them done. I hate having to go back to the salon to remove them. So I love that Kiss has a number of ready-to-wear designs, from short nails to long nails to glitter nails to jeweled nails to the classic French manicure. So I can give myself a custom look in minutes from the comfort of my home, and I don't have to pay salon prices. All of the products I'm talking about today can be found at Dollar General, so make sure you click the link down below and head over to the Dollar General website after you check out the tutorial.
So you want to make sure you're starting out with clean, bare nails that are free of any oils or moisturizer. I like to take a cotton ball and run pure acetone over the nails right before I start applying. I also like to prep my nails by cutting down the natural nail and pushing back all of my cuticles before application so the artificial nails look nice and seamless. Each kit comes with 24 ready-to-wear nails, so I like to lay all the nails out so I can see the sizes, and then I find the correct size for each finger. I have really short nail beds, and Kiss is one of the only brands that actually works for my nails, so I really appreciate the inclusivity. Once I have all of my nails picked out and sized correctly, I'm ready to apply. So I'm using a brush-on glue from Kiss, which makes application super easy. This is sold separately, but you can pick this up at Dollar General as well. You want to make sure you apply an ample amount of glue on both the artificial nail as well as your natural nail. This, along with the nail prep, will really help extend how long your nails last. I can get up to 7 days wear when I do this. Then you're just going to grab your artificial nail and press down and hold for a few seconds, making sure the thinner round end is placed at the cuticle. I like to press down in the middle first and then slowly press down on each side in a rolling motion to prevent any air bubbles. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process on every nail, and then voila, we've got salon quality nails from the comfort of home for a fraction of the price. And don't forget, you can always customize the shape or length of your nails with a nail file. I'm just filing down a little bit here. I really like to apply the fancier jeweled or glittery nails when I have an event going on, and then for everyday wear, I like to apply the French manicure like I am today, or a solid color nail style. So moving on to lashes, we're going in with the Kiss Mink Effect lashes today in the style Dame. I love how these lashes step up any look with weightless 3D volume, and they're reusable up to 10 times. You already heard me mention how much I love Kiss lash bands because they're super flexible, lightweight, and the more you wear them, the easier they are to apply. So the first thing you want to do is gently peel away the lashes from the packaging, but make sure you save that package to store your lashes when you're done. Next, I'm going to let you in on a little pro tip here. You want to break apart the lash band so it becomes a little more easy to manipulate when you go in to apply your lashes. Next, and I cannot stress this enough, you need to measure and trim your lashes. So you want to align the lash band with your natural lash line and trim off any excess from the outer corner. This is going to make your false lashes look a lot more natural, and they'll be a lot more comfortable throughout the day. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kiss lash glue and apply a thin line of glue. This is sold separately from the lashes, but again can be found at Dollar General. I like to wait about 30 seconds for the glue to set down. You're looking for the glue to be tacky. If you go in before the glue has had a chance to set down, it'll be too wet and it'll slide around. I like to get the lash band as close to my natural lash line as possible so they look nice and seamless, and I'll press down starting in the middle, and then I'll move to the outer corner and work my way in. Just make sure the lash band is actually on your natural lash line and not your lashes, and just tap and hold for a few seconds as you go along. Once the lash glue is set down, I like to go in with my lash applicator and just squeeze the Mink Effect lash with my natural lashes so you can't see any separation, and voila, we've got salon quality lashes at home again for a fraction of the price.
So I hope this tutorial was helpful and you guys go check out the Kiss Mink Effect lashes and nails at Dollar General. I know lashes and nails can seem super intimidating, but Kiss makes the process really easy with their large assortment of designs you can choose from to create your own custom look in the comfort of your house for a fraction of the price. As always, if you guys have any questions, please let me know down below. Otherwise, if you're interested in seeing any more videos from me, please subscribe. It means the absolute world to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.